are on. Przemyslaw Lewicki, nice to see you today. This is Tom Barnhart, and we are kicking off this series of European Business Services interviews with Przemyslaw Lewicki, who is the head of robotics for ING Bank and their new brand SAIO, if I'm correct, which launched last week, in fact. So we wanted to take about 5-10 minutes and hear a bit more about what you guys will be doing in the RPA space. I understand you're targeting SSCs. But before we get started, just tell us a little bit about your background, Przemyslaw, and as well about the ING's decision to have a separate brand for this.
Yeah. Good morning, Tom, and good morning, everyone. Yes, as you said, I'm a product owner of SAIO, of a new brand that was just launched by ING Poland. So maybe what is SAIO? It's a comprehensive intelligent automation platform that is a result of our many years of experience in robotization and process automation, many years of development and implementation of the best automation ideas and technologies. For last couple of years in ING, we have already built and deployed over 2,000 robots in production in, I think, 7 or 8 countries, generating huge cost savings, improving quality, efficiency of processes. So based on our internal results in automation, we came to the conclusion that we should share our success also with the outside world and to, well, commercialize the product. So here we are, providing robotics, process automation, and intelligent automation services, not only to ING clients.
Okay, all right. So, and the genesis of the services was within ING Bank, I assume serving your clients or other financial services companies, and that might be broader now.
Now it's a broader, and this is exactly why we have a brand SAIO. We are not branded ING Robotics or Robotics by ING, but this is a separate brand, because, well, ING brand is traditionally associated with financial services, and we are convinced that the way we automate processes is not only extremely efficient, but at the same time is not related to financial services only. But can be applied everywhere where process automation is needed. We also want SAIO brand to be recognizable as one of the leading intelligent automation providers, not only in Poland, but worldwide.
Okay, and so tell us about the market need. Of course, everyone knows the RPA business is the process automation business is hot. I mean, UiPath did their huge IPO 2 or 3 weeks ago, very successful. So the process automation world is, of course, on fire, growing very fast. And what does SAIO bring to the table? Something a little bit different, kind of something unique. What is your unique take on it?
Yeah, I think, I believe as a product owner, which is obvious, but I really believe that SAIO is unique. And what we can provide, what differs us from our competitors. First, fast delivery. First, robots on production within 2 to 3 weeks once SAIO is installed. And I'm not talking about our intentions. I'm talking about our pure experience. This is how we work. This is how we do. And we can just verify that. Please do. Full flexibility in adjusting the technology you want to use to build the robot, adjusting it to the use case, from very simple way of building robots, drag and drop way, to the most advanced techniques unreachable for traditional robotics. It means that with SAIO, you can robotize even the very complicated and complex processes. Third thing, I would say, banking level security, which is especially important in these times of cybercrime. Because SAIO works in a bank, so it must fulfill the toughest IT security requirements. Believe me, I believe we are the most secure automation platform in the world because of that. And yeah, focus on artificial intelligence. We are not building rule-based robots only anymore. More and more robots are equipped with AI models, AI components. AI is our direction. AI is the main focus and way of development for these days in SAIO. And finally, SAIO was created by practitioners, by experts in automation. So we know what we do.
So are you all using third-party providers like Blue Prism or UiPath? How do they interact with what you're doing?
In ING, we have two official RPA solutions. One is Automation Anywhere, and the second one is SAIO. And of course, we use them both. But yeah, I can say that I can tell you that results from robotization with use of SAIO are really, really impressive. I cannot give you numbers, but believe me, these are millions of euros.
I mean, it sounds to me like SAIO is maybe, I mean, even at a ING group level, HQ level, it seems to be significant. I mean, it sounds like that you might even be in the ability to compete with some of these guys. Is that kind of your intention? Is ING as a group view this as a pretty significant new business opportunity?
It is a new business opportunity. It differs us from our competitors because as far as I know, we are, I don't know if only one, but maybe one bank in the world providing its own robotics services, not based on someone else's robotic platform. So I think this is unique.
So let's go to the target market a little bit. So we talked as a bit of background, SSCs is one target. Tell us some more about your let's say your wish list or your preferred type of target where you think you could have the most impact with a certain sector. Who would that be?
I think BPO, SSC, HR, payroll, data analytics management, logistics, supply chain, customer support. I'm not referring to financial services because, as I said, we are known that we are good at that. But we can provide automation services to any let's say area of business where you use computers, where you use certain applications. We can automate them, and we can add significant value to these processes with use of SAIO.
So business model pricing, can you tell us a bit about how the pricing is going to work? Is it SaaS model, or tell us a bit about that?
I can tell you that we have a very attractive price list based, of course, on licenses on particular robots. Also, we have enterprise license model where we can provide unlimited number of licenses for a certain company. Whomever wants to learn more, please contact us. We'll explain everything. We'll provide you our offer. But I can guarantee you one thing: this is going to be extremely attractive prices in terms of cost to reward.
Okay, well, it sounds pretty exciting, and I'm looking forward to seeing it roll out a little bit. Question about your first new clients, because you have launched the brand just last week, new product, new brand, and we wanted to hear a bit more about the offer for SSCs. Of course, we are running this European Business Services Association. A lot of SSCs we connect with. Tell us more specifically about this kind of unique special offer in the month of May or June for SSCs, because we want to get into that right away.
Yes, indeed, Tom. So yeah, we have a very special offer for SSCs. So we know that we are experts in robotization. We know that SAIO is one of the best automation platforms available. We know it, but of course, the market doesn't know it yet. And we understand that this trust must be gained. So we want to prove that we are as good as we say. We want to prove that thanks to SAIO, also SSCs can reach a higher level of automation and achieve the same fantastic results in robotization and automation that we have achieved in ING for the last couple of years. So we have a very special offer for just one SSC. The offer is absolutely free of charge, full implementation of SAIO, including consulting in process discovery that we will do together with the client, development of 1 or 2 robots free of charge, and its deployment on production. We also provide 1 year free of charge license of enterprise version of SAIO, which means that the client will be able to use unlimited number of users and licenses and users. It also means that client can build as many new robots as he wants. So automate tons of processes, not only the one that we would robotize for them. So this is our offer. Yeah, what we expect in return, you might ask. We just want to be able to share the honest feedback on the results of the implementation with our next potential clients.
Right. And we're going to work with you to find that SSC, process that person, get them into your world, let's say, and that will start this week, in fact. And we hope by the end of, perhaps even by the end of May, we'll have someone selected from an SSC. And the intention is that we would kind of follow that development, SAIO's development and SSC's implementation of your solution. And then we'll come back and follow that kind of as a media, tracking that. And then perhaps in 4 weeks, middle of June, we might say a bit about kind of a debrief of what you did for that client, how it worked for them. So that's the intention of this sort of proposal. So we're looking forward to it. We will start to reach out to some SSCs now. Please contact Przemyslaw or myself, and you all will be selecting one of the SSCs that comes through this process as a bit of a guinea pig, but a very real one, and obviously extremely good pricing offer for the moment.
Yes, and I can also
anything else that I didn't ask about, Przemyslaw? Other thoughts, ideas?
I can also promise that because for one SSC it will be totally for free, but also if some other SSCs will be interested, I promise that we'll have a very attractive terms, in financial terms, and also we can agree on very good offer for them. So looking forward to also to meet other colleagues from other SSCs.
Great. Okay, looking forward to it. We'll stop here. Good luck with the new brand, the new launch. Sounds very exciting. It sounds more ambitious than I originally thought it was going to be. Good luck with that, and we will be in search of the right chosen SSC to work with you guys. So we'll check back with you in a few weeks, probably middle of June, and hopefully we'll have a really cool example to show others of how it worked.
Yeah. Great.
Thanks, Przemyslaw. We're in touch very soon. Thank you very much for your time today, and good luck with the launch.
Thank you very much. See you soon.